everybody, thanks so much for stopping by. This is the second project that I'm doing on the March Let's Make Art kit that I got in the mail. Now, when I was watching the video that Sarah did, she had a pre-drawn iris on the paper that came with the kit, but I didn't see her do it on the actual video. Now, I myself love to paint, but I lack when it comes to drawing. I always draw things disproportionately, but something clicked in my head, and then I remembered that I had bought this thing here. It's called a drawing pad with the LED light, and I think it's actually going to work. Now, I have all the lights off in my craft room. That's the only way that you're going to be able to see it. I'm just going to hold that there for a minute. This one is actually, I don't see a name brand on it. Maybe it's on here. Oh, Alive Max. I've had this for like 5 years, so I have really no idea where I heard about it or whatever the case might be. This actually came with the kit, so there is a drawing, but this isn't watercolor paper. So I'm going to turn this on. It just got a little button right there. You can see how it lights up. Now, I don't know why I can actually see these lines that are rippling through. I don't know if that's going to turn out in the video, but I'm going to leave it like that. I hope it doesn't annoy you too much. And I'm going to go ahead and trace this onto the watercolor paper because, like I said, I just can't do the drawing thing. These are the steps on how you should be painting, along with the YouTube video that she does. She also has it on letsmakeart.com, and I think that's it. That's how it's supposed to turn out. Of course, this is a lot smaller than this here, and I've got it turned to the side so it fits inside my video camera lens or whatever it is. This is a very light pencil. It's a lavender pencil from Low Cornell, and I chose lavender because it is most of the color of this flower. Now, I have to admit, I tried to draw this freehand just by looking at the outside of the lines and just kind of trying to free draw it, and it was a joke. I couldn't do it. So luckily I remembered that I had bought this, dusted it off, and here we go. Now, this will erase just fine after I'm all done painting it. I'm going to let it dry overnight, and I can go back in and I can erase the lines. There's a possibility that you won't even see it once I start painting over it. I am not super experienced in all of this, but I'll tell you what's happening. I am having a lot of fun. My watercoloring skills hopefully will get better with something like this. That was my intention. The instruction as far as how to watercolor, I don't see that she's done that so far, but she does instruct you on how to color the actual project, not color, watercolor the actual project, and how to mix the colors to get, you know, the purples and all that kind of stuff. I don't know if you guys can overhear my son's in the room down the hall talking. When he puts his headset on, he doesn't realize that he's loud, but I'm over it. Alright, so I'm just going to do this, follow the lines, and I'll finish this up, and then I'll come back on and we'll start painting. Alright, so I'm all done tracing. I don't see in the lens that you guys can see the tracing, but it's all here. And so what I'm going to do, because I don't like to rush, and I know that you guys don't have time to sit around and watch a 30-minute video, I'm going to go ahead and speed up the camera, and I'll just talk about what it is that I'm doing. I'll throw in some music here and there. If you have any questions about it, please do so in the comment section, and I will get back to you. Or if you are an artist and you have suggestions for me, please, I would love to hear exactly what should have been done, or any sort of instructions. So, because this is all just fun for me, and I'm enjoying it so far. So, all right, so I'll get started and enjoy the music.